So we've all heard it. If you want to make money in the gold rush, you got to sell shovels. Well, I'm going to show you a brand new AI tool that you can start selling today that'll put $300 to $600 a month in your pocket every single month from every single customer. And don't worry, you don't need any crazy tech skills. There's no cold calling or any spammy stuff like that. You're going to see how this practically sells itself, and it only costs $0 to get started. If we haven't met, I'm Jared. I've been running an AI automation agency for over 3 years, helping everyone from coaches to insurance agents grow their business with AI. So as we go through this, you're going to see some templates and scripts that I use in my agency. If at any point you want me to send that over to you, all I ask is that you like and share this video. It helps the algorithm, and then comment AI down below, and I will personally reply to you with a link to access everything, plus some cool bonuses that you'll get once you're in there. All right, so what are we actually doing? Well, if we want to make money, we got to do what? We got to solve problems. So what problem are we solving? If you've ever done a Google search, maybe plumber near me or best chiropractor in Boston, and you saw at the very top here where it says sponsored results. What most people don't realize is that these businesses are paying anywhere from a few dollars to sometimes over $20 for every single click to their homepage. The problem is, statistics show that up to 70% of website visitors leave without ever contacting the business. This means that over half the money these businesses spend to get visitors to their website is wasted. And on top of that, all the potential money they could have made in sales. So how do we get paid to solve this? This is where a brand new AI tool has blown the doors wide open on a massive opportunity. We now have the ability to copy and paste a trained voice AI receptionist right onto any business website, regardless of who built the website or even where it's hosted. Customers can now literally talk to a business website right from their cell phone or laptop. This isn't just some Q&A bot that spits out pre-canned responses. This is an intelligent AI agent that listens, it asks relevant questions, it can explain services, it can even book appointments. It's absolutely insane. Right now, less than 1% of businesses have this. So at the moment, the market is wide open. But here's where this literally sells itself. Imagine you're talking with your real estate agent or any business owner you know, and you say, hey, I can install an AI receptionist on your website so you get more customers. Who's going to say no to that? Check this out. Now, this is just a template demo that I have here for an HVAC company. So say you land on the webpage here, it's after hours, or you're really not able to make a phone call, and you want to get an answer to your question right away. It says, hey, I'm online. How can I help? So we click on this. Boom. Talk with me below.
Hey, thanks for visiting Expert Climate Control. How can I help?
Hi, my heater doesn't seem to be working right.
Got it. I can help with that. Is it not heating at all, or just not keeping up like it used to?
It seems like just the fan's blowing, but I'm not really getting any hot air.
Thanks for explaining. When did you first notice the issue? Just today, or has it been going on a few days?
I think it went out last night. Looks like yesterday was working fine.
Got it. Have you noticed any unusual smells, sounds, or water around the unit?
No, I haven't actually, thankfully.
Thanks for checking. What's the temperature roughly inside right now? Is it getting uncomfortably cold or still manageable?
Right now it's about 60.
All right, thanks. Is this a gas furnace or electric heat pump if you happen to know?
I believe it is gas furnace.
Thanks. Since it's a gas furnace blowing cool air, we should get a tech out. Before I send this over, what's your first name?
Jared?
Thanks, Jared. Did I get that spelled correctly? J-A-R-E-D?
It's actually J-A-R-I-D.
Thanks for the correction. Just to confirm, J-A-R-I-D. Did I get that correct?
Yes, you did.
Perfect, thanks. What's the best phone number for a quick call or text if our team needs to reach you?
It's going to be 4843.
Thank you. I heard 483. Did I get that correct?
Yes, you did.
Perfect, thanks. Would you like to schedule a service appointment now or prefer a call back from our coordinator within the next business day to set it up?
If we could schedule now, that'd be great.
Totally. Here are a few options. Tomorrow, November 11th at 8 a.m., 10 a.m., or 12 p.m. Which one works for you?
You can do tomorrow at 10 a.m., have someone out. That'd probably be all right.
Great. I'll set you up for tomorrow at 10 a.m. To book it, I'll need an email to send the confirmation and visit details. Could you share the best email address?
Yes, it's at gmail.com.
Thanks. Let me make sure I've got that right. At gmail.com. Did I get that correct?
Yes, you did.
You're all set for tomorrow, November 11th at 10 a.m. You'll get a confirmation email shortly. Do you need anything else while I've got you?
Nope, that's all.
All right, I've got everything noted. We'll see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. If anything changes, just reply to the confirmation email. Take care.
Thanks. All right, that's crazy, right? Literally like 24/7 live receptionists. Now, before we talk about the money, guys, this installs in just a few minutes on any website. All you do is copy and paste this little script, or you can even email it to the business owner if they already have someone that does their websites, and the agent will go live immediately on their homepage. Then you can configure any customizations they might want right in the software here on your end without ever having to access the business website. If you guys want, I can send that over to you. There's even a 30-day free trial to the AI software. Like I said, just drop that comment below and I'll send everything over. All right, so let's talk money. Let's say you charge $1,500 for the setup, which is perfectly reasonable. There's people charging up to $5,000 or more. Let's just be conservative and say $1,500 for the setup. Then you charge $400 a month as a software service fee just to host the AI. Now remember, you control it, so if they don't pay, you could just shut it off. But most businesses, they don't turn off things that make them more money. So typically there's very low churn, very low cancellation rates. Let's say you land 3 clients your first month. That's $4,500 in setup fees and $1,500 a month recurring. Get 6 clients, that's $9,000 setup with $3,000 a month recurring, and so on and so forth. Remember, you set this up just once and it runs on autopilot. You just get paid month after month while the software does the rest. So guys, this isn't hype. This is a real AI solution that provides massive value to small businesses. And to help you get started, I'll even throw in a free one-on-one onboarding call just to make sure you get everything set up correctly as quickly as possible. Like, share, drop a comment down below. If you still want to learn more, watch this 1-hour stream where I deep dive into building an AI agency covering everything from offer creation to client acquisition. I'll see you on the inside.